Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is Crypto Insider and I'll be telling us about the LayerEdge token allocation checker and the LayerEdge claim. So this is actually quite easy. This came out yesterday. I can, even if you checked it on before, I can check it again because there were some changes, some increased, some tokens increased and then some reduced. So you can do this by going over to airdrop.layeredge.foundation. So open it in any of your browser, your wallet, that browsers, or any browser that you use to, any wallet that you use to perform this airdrop. So go ahead to open it right there, and so once you've opened it, you can come over, click on enter, and then allow it to load. So it's going to bring you to this page. You can see connect wallet, check eligibility, claim token, and then you can set to lock and end. Then just click on connect wallet so you can link the airdrop wallet. So select the wallet you used and go ahead to connect it. Then confirm. And that's it. We are connected. You can see the wallet address right there. So click on next, and then you can see over here you are eligible for the Edgen or LayerEdge Airdrop. You can see the allocation, you can see it increased. So do have to check yours, even if you checked it before, because there might actually be an increase or a decrease in the airdrop. So that's it. Go ahead to click on next so be able to claim. You can see there are various options. You can see the breakdown of what enabled us to get these points: the testnet, phase 1 and phase 2 participant, verified referrals, then OG, players pass, and NFT holders. Then I'm going to claim on your centralized exchange, or you can claim on chain. So claim on centralized exchange started yesterday. I'll be ending today by 10:30, while claim on chain is opening on June 2nd, which is the day of the airdrop. And then claiming on chain unlocks eligibility for you to earn up to 50% annual percentage yield for staking Edgen. So you can decide to go ahead to do the one you want. For claim on centralized exchanges is without gas fees. So once you click on it, you can see the various exchanges: KuCoin, Gate.io, Hashkey Global, and HTX. So you can decide to click on anyone. If you don't have any of your accounts, you can go ahead to check my description for the link to the account, download, create an account, and do it to verify it before the centralized exchanges claim ends. But then if you have it, you can go ahead to select the one of your choice and then input your deposit address and then your UID address. I'll be going with Hashkey Global, and I'll be showing you how to copy the various details needed to perform the Hashkey Global claim. So I've copied my UID from the Hashkey Global, and it's going to be directly from the user center. So I can just click there and paste my UID. So whatever exchange you are using, do you have to copy the UID? It's the same process. So then I'll be showing how to copy the global deposit address. So I'll be opening the Hashkey exchange. Over there at assets, same with other exchanges, click on assets. You can see the Edgen token. Search for Edgen, and then you see the Edgen token, click on it. So once it's open, click on deposits, then select the network you're using to deposit. That's the ERC20. You can see the address right there. So go ahead to copy the address, then return back to our wallet, and then endeavor to just paste it right there. And then you can see endeavor to also confirm the details that you've input. Confirm the details and then click on claim now. So you can see, you can go ahead to read this, confirm, then scroll up, keep scrolling. That's the terms and conditions. So when you're done scrolling till the very end, before it will activate, then click on accept. So once you do so, it's going to confirm. So you'll be able to confirm and sign some transactions. Just confirm that everything's correct, then click on accept. can see claim successful. Congratulations, your Edgen will be visible upon listing. So on the listing date, we're able to see our Edgen in the CX. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so I'm getting more airdrop updates from me. Then my Telegram channel is in the description. Do to join where we're posting various alpha links. See you next time.